Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone, our channel. Today, I've got something special for all you keto warriors out there. If you're on a ketogenic diet, you know how important electrolytes are. So, today we're reviewing Keto Vitals Electrolyte Powder. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what this product is. Keto Vitals Electrolyte Powder is designed to help maintain your electrolyte balance, especially important for those of us on a keto diet. It comes in a convenient powder form that you can mix with water. What makes Keto Vitals stand out? Well, it contains the four main electrolytes we need: sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These are crucial for preventing the dreaded keto flu and keeping you energized. Sodium helps with hydration, potassium supports muscle function, magnesium is great for preventing cramps, and calcium is essential for bone health. Now, let's talk about taste and mixability. I'm using the flavor you have flavor today. Mix the powder in water, show the mixing process, and take a sip. It mixes really well, no clumps, which is a big plus. And the taste? Honestly, it's pretty good. Not too sweet, just the right amount of flavor. It's refreshing and easy to drink, which is important because you'll want to drink this regularly. I've been using Keto Vitals for X amount of time, and I can definitely feel a difference. My energy levels are up, I'm not feeling as fatigued, and I haven't had any muscle cramps. It's really helped me stay on track with my keto journey. So, how much does it cost and where can you get it? Keto Vitals Electrolyte Powder is reasonably priced, and you can find it on Amazon, their official website, or other health stores. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check it out. Overall, I highly recommend Keto Vitals Electrolyte Powder for anyone on a keto diet. It's convenient, tastes great, and really helps with those pesky keto flu symptoms. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more keto tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay healthy and keto on.